Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to move and remove text in Photoshop. First of all, select quick selection tool or magic wand tool. Click multiple. Select text color. Okay. Then click select tab. Modify expand 6. Right click on your mouse. Fill content or press Ctrl D for remove. Paste tool. Select smoothly. Press Ctrl D or click brush tool, right click and select color. Use this color. Opacity 25. Then click for this remove automatically. Then remove and move the text. Move text. Apply the same formula. To Control Z or duplicate layer. Height. Hold control and select this area. Then hide this. Apply the same formula. Control D and apply the same formula. Now say this text or move text. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like.